Hello, friends. I am Sesananda Sarangi. Welcome to my English channel. The English Hub makes English easy and lucid. As you know, I have completed my pronoun series and I have started pronoun series question session. In my last video, I have discussed about personal pronouns, some questions related to personal pronoun. In this video, I am also going to discuss some questions related to pronouns. So I have already written the questions. The question is that underline the demonstratives, indefinites and distributives and say whether they are used as pronoun or adjective. This is very important. First of all, what we have to do, we have to just underline the demonstratives, indefinites and distributives, and after that we have to find out whether they are used as pronoun or used as an adjective. Let's start. The first sentence, this is a big house. The demonstrative is this, and it is used as pronoun. It is used as pronoun. The second sentence is, this house is big. Demonstrative is this, so it is used as an adjective. Why? What is the difference? Because this comes with the house, noun. That is why it is an adjective. It is doing the role of adjective. But here in this, the noun is not with the demonstratives. That is why it is a pronoun. The second sentence, third sentence, one of the boy is talented. So indefinite is one. So here one is used as pronoun. This one is used as pronoun. Again in the fourth sentence, the same one is used as an adjective. Why? Because after one, noun is present there. It means that if a demonstrative or indefinite or distributive is followed by a noun, that will not play the role of a pronoun. Rather, it plays the role of an adjective. So you have to be careful about that. So in the fifth sentence, I have written, each of the men received a bonus. Though indefinite is the distributive, the distributive is each. So here each is playing the role of pronoun. In the next sentence, each man got a bonus. So in this sentence, each is our distributive, so it is used as an adjective because each is followed by a noun. Then the seventh sentence is, those are my books. So the demonstrators is those, so it is used as pronoun. In the next sentence, I have used the those as those books. Here it is used as an adjective. In the ninth sentence, I can say few. Few is indefinite, which is used as pronoun. In the last sentence, the same few is used as adjective. So you have to just know the basic. If you can know the basic, then you can find out. So the basic thing is that if a distributive or demonstrator or indefinite is used independently, after it no noun is coming, then they play the role of pronoun. But if the same demonstrators, the indefinite or distributives, they are used in the sentence, and after that, after very next of it, some noun is used, then they do not play the role of pronoun, rather they play the role of an adjective. Just see in this sentence, noun is following, noun is following, noun is following. Here also noun is following, here also noun is following. When noun is following, it means that it is no longer plays the role of pronoun, rather it plays the role of an adjective. So I think you could understand this by going, if you have some book, then do some exercises and you can write your own sentences to differentiate between the noun and adjectives. For this video, this much only. And if you think that my English is effective and it gives you the basic knowledge, then do like, share and comment. And I just want to tell you that watch my video from starting to the end.